It's the biggest outbreak that the world has ever seen after avian flu. America and Mexico are fighting this swine flu epidemic for last 2 days. But here in Goa, state officials have confirmed that there is no need to worry and swines are free from this epidemic.
In past 2 days, many cases of the swine flu have been reported in America and Mexico. However, there are no reports of this swine flu in India. Indian government has issued travel advisory to its citizens who are planning to visit these countries affected by this swine epidemic. Prudent Media met the Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, Dr. H. Falero. Falero says there is no need to worry in Goa and the disease is not reported in Goa.
See, first of all, there is no swine influenza in Goa. Okay? For any other disease, we are taking adequate precautions for immunization, any other disease, and farmers are guided from time to time. Our officers or our missionary or in the state, they are taking adequate, they are monitoring it.
Swine flu gets spread into human body through pigs or swine. Symptoms of swine flu are fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, headache, chills and fatigue. State epidemiologist Dr. Rajendra Tamba gave us more details about the virus.
Basically, it's a virus which is there in the environment. It is a disease, an animal disease which has been there. It's not a new disease. The swine flu among swine or pigs is not new. But swine flu affecting human beings is new.
State health officials would now start the screening of travellers from epidemic-hit countries on Wednesday onwards at Dabolim Airport.
Here we don't have the pig flu or the swine flu is not present here in Goa. At the airport we have a plan to screen the people, especially those who have been to. Because if you have not been to a country and if you have not been exposed to a virus, then there is no point in checking you because obviously there is no chance that you will get swine flu.
Dr. Tamba also stated that an isolation ward is being set up at Chikle Cottage Health Centre if at all any problem arises. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, and video journalist Sachin Amdoskar.
1 day after the mother alleged her husband of molesting their daughter, the case has taken a dramatic turn. All the medical reports in the case have come negative. The father is remanded to 14 days police custody.
The father of the child on Sunday allegedly molested his 3-year-old child. According to the mother, her husband came home on Sunday and took the child in a room and molested her. She also informed that he has a bad habit of abusing females on the road and molesting innocent girls. She also said that Suresh Chauhan was once beaten by ladies when caught abusing a girl in Panji. After the complaint was lodged by the mother, the girl was immediately sent for medical examination at GMC. According to the sources, interestingly, the medical reports have come negative. SDPO of Panji, G.V. Prabhudesai, told us that they have not received any medical reports from Goa Medical College.
Yesterday, that is on 27th, a report was received by one lady. Matter was reported by one lady from at Old Goa police station, saying that her minor daughter, who is just 3 years, was sexually abused by the father of the girl, that is her husband. In this connection, we have registered an offence. We have arrested the accused, that is the father of the child, and the further investigation is in progress. That person we have sent for medical, and also the girl has been. We are waiting for the report now, medical report of the victim girl.
We have not received any report.
No, the girl has been medically examined, but we are waiting for the report. We will be getting the report today.
The mother of the accused has asked the police officials to take strict action against her husband and give him rigorous punishment. Our video journalists in Panji, Sunny Narvekar and Manoj Arulkar.
The committee constituted by Goa University to investigate the sexual harassment case against the HOD of Political Science Department, Dr. Aurelian Fernandez, will now submit its report on 4th May.
Speaking to Prudent Media, Goa University Registrar Dr. Mohan Sangodkar told the reason for delay in submitting the report. He also said that once the report is submitted, they will proceed with further investigation.
See, the matter regarding ragging and sexual harassment is being looked after by 2 different committees. Investigation is going on. Both the committees were given 15 days time to submit the report. and I think yesterday was the day for submission of report. But in between, what happened was many of the members from those committees were given election duties, so they could not work for at least 3-4 days. So it is quite possible that they should be requiring little more time, and they have requested for 3-4 days more time to submit the report. And as soon as the report is submitted, I think we should be in a position to go further with the investigation. It will be placed to the EC.
So when the report will be submitted?
Now it will be by 4th of May.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
Watch a workshop on Helen O'Grady's Drama Academy. Will be back after a short break. Stay tuned.